video to fix the official PUBG Mobile emulator stuck in Chinese language. And if your emulator opens entirely in Chinese with no way to switch, this video is for you. Are you frustrated because every time you launch the PUBG Mobile emulator, menus, buttons, and settings appear in Chinese, making it almost impossible to play or change options? This usually happens because of incorrect region settings, corrupted emulator files, or default language settings being forced during installation. Most solutions you see on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and full of complicated steps that are hard to follow, asking you to reinstall Windows or tweak hidden files unnecessarily. On Rexish, I focus on simple and safe fixes. In this video, I will share a secret easy trick that changes the emulator language back to English without reinstalling the entire emulator or losing game data. This method updates language files, adjusts region settings, and ensures PUBG Mobile emulator opens in the correct language every time. It works on Windows 10 and Windows 11, keeps your account and settings safe, and takes only a few minutes. If the PUBG Mobile emulator keeps opening in Chinese and blocking your gameplay, this solution will fix it fast. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing every click and setting, comment below and let Rexish know, and I will guide you until the emulator runs fully in English again.